Hello my friends, welcome back. It's me again. Today I wanna do a quick review, a quick comparison between the regular impact socket and the Lisle impact socket to remove the harmonic balancers or the crank pulley bowl. So let's get started. Let's see which one can take it off. Honda Acura crank pulley bowl removal. Regular socket versus Lisle socket. Regular socket and the IR impact gun. Hell no. Ah boy, that is tight. Holy moly. Alright. That regular socket failed really bad. Woo! Okay, next challenge. So, the special socket for the Honda Acura crank pulley bowl made by Lisle 77080. Okay, let's try this out. See if it can take the Honda crank pulley off. Oh, that's heavy, huh? Alright, let's try it out. Swap it. Let me see it. Ooh, beautiful. Alright, let's test it. Ooh, nice. Got it. Bad boy, Lisle 19mm harmonic balancer bowl remove with the IR gun. Good job. Thank you. Big boy socket, huh? Next, we tested out with the Harbor Freight impact gun on another crank pulley bowl. Let's see if it's take it off. Yep, it's got it. First try. It's worth the investment. Alright, the Lisle impact socket 1, I would recommend it to Honda mechanic to remove the crank pulley bowl. If you like it, hit like below and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Be safe and take care, my friends.